Hello, today we will guide you through how to add customers, sub-customers, and projects in QuickBooks Online with presets. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you are on the main homepage. This is where you can access the different areas of your account and manage customer records efficiently. From the left side navigation, move your mouse over the 9-dot menu icon. This menu helps you quickly open different hubs and tools inside QuickBooks. Once that expands, hover over Customer Hub. This section is designed for managing customer information, sales activity, and related records. Next, click on Customers and Leads. This will take you to the Customer List page where you can view existing records and create new ones. At the top of the page, click New Customer to open the Customer Setup form. Now begin entering the customer's sample name and contact details. This usually includes basic information such as the display name and any relevant contact fields shown on the form. Be sure to enter the information carefully, since this record may be used later for invoices, estimates, and other customer-related transactions. Continue by entering the sample address details. This helps keep the customer profile complete and organized. After that, move to the Payment Details section and fill in the sample payment information shown in the form. These fields can help support billing preferences and payment tracking, depending on how your company uses QuickBooks. Next, enter the sample additional information details. This area is useful for storing extra customer-specific data that may help with reporting or internal organization. Once all the required and sample fields have been completed, click Save. After saving, locate and click on the sample customer you just created. This opens the customer profile so you can make changes or add more structure to the record. In the top right corner, click Edit. Inside the Edit screen, look for the checkbox labeled to indicate that this customer is a sub-customer. Select that checkbox, then save your changes. This is useful when you want to organize related customers under a parent customer, such as separate locations, divisions, or jobs connected to one main account. As a final tip, it's a good idea to review the completed record after saving to confirm the information appears correctly and that the customer is organized the way you want. Keeping customer records clean and consistent makes future tracking much easier in QuickBooks Online. That's it for this walkthrough. You've now seen how to create a customer record and update it as a sub-customer in QuickBooks Online.